Welcome to lesson 41. Please answer my questions and learn 30 new words. Restaurant. What is your favorite restaurant and why do you like it? View. Do you prefer a city view or a view of nature from your window? Sugar. How much sugar do you usually put in your tea or coffee? Near. Do you live near your workplace or school? Interrupt. How do you feel when someone interrupts you while you are talking? Blood, bloody. Do you think it's important to know basic first aid in case of a bloody accident? Attitude. How do you stay positive when someone has a negative attitude around you? Connect, connection. Have you ever felt a strong connection with someone you just met? Notebook. Do you prefer writing in a notebook or typing on a computer? Should. What do you think people should do to stay healthy? Wherever, anywhere. Where would you like to travel if you could go anywhere in the world? Sir. How often do you use the word sir when talking to someone? Phone. Do you prefer talking on the phone or texting? Do, did, done. What did you do last weekend for fun? Cool. What's the coolest place you've ever visited? Describe, description. Can you describe your favorite place to visit? Risk. What kind of risks should people avoid taking? Dead. How do you feel about plants when they look almost dead? Do you try to save them? Any. Are there any foods that you refuse to eat? Collect. Do you collect anything as a hobby, like coins or stamps? Sky. Do you enjoy looking at the sky during the day or at night? Irregular. Have you ever noticed any irregular patterns in your daily routine? It. If you had a magic lamp, what would you do with it? Myself. It's important to love myself, isn't it? Foreign, foreigner. Have you ever been to a foreign country and what was it like? Network. Net, web. How important do you think having a good network of friends is? Command. What kind of commands do you think are the hardest to follow? Along, alongside. Do you like to walk along the beach or alongside a river? Basement, cellar. Have you ever been in a dark basement that felt a little scary? Hide, hid, hidden. What is something you have hidden from others because it's important to you? That's all from lesson 41. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!